Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Pokemon themed martial arts lesson today. Today we're going to learn 3 awesome fighting type martial art moves from your favorite Pokemon. We're going to be learning how to do Skyward Uppercut, Blaze Kick, and also Focus Punch today. You guys ready to start? You guys say yes sir? Awesome. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 5 in Korean with jumping jacks. You guys repeat after me. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Awesome work. Good job counting. Let's go ahead and start swinging arms like this to warm up our shoulders. Ready? Say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Good job counting. I can tell you're getting better. Let's go ahead and do the other way now. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Awesome job. All right, let's go and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. We're going to turn our shoulder this way to stretch out our neck. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Good job. Let's go the other way this time. Get a big stretch. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Awesome job. All right, arms crossed. Head down to the very middle. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, toss it. Nice. Good job. All right, go and shake out your hands. Shake out your legs a little bit. Now, it is very cold today. At least where I live, it's very cold in Texas. So we're going to do an extra special warm-up to make sure we're getting our body nice and ready for the moves, okay? So let's do this. Haven't tried it yet? Good. Kanye. Awesome. All right, here's all I guys do. Have your feet apart just like this. We're going to be in a neutral stance. We're going to have our hands just right here. We're going to start bouncing on our feet, okay? And here's all I guys to do. When I say turn, we're going to turn and all face this way. Okay, keeping our hands in the face. Let's go and try that together. Ready? Everyone, turn. Nice, good job. Now we're going to turn back facing me. Turn. Good job, nice. Now we're going to go that way now. Turn. Good job. Now back facing me. Turn. Awesome. All right, back to this way again. Let's see you can be faster. Turn. Good job. Ready? Turn. Good. This way now. Turn. Good. And back. Turn. Awesome. Good job. Okay, now here's what we do this time. Just keep bouncing on your feet. We're going to turn. As we turn, okay, we're going to be picking up our knees. Okay, so ready? Watch this. When I say turn, jump up, pick up your knees. Good job. Now turning this way. Turn. Good job. Good again. Turn. Good work. Turn. Good job. Turn. Good. One more. Turn. Nice. Very good job. High fives. Awesome. Very good work. Awesome. All right, ready? I'm going to try it. Good. Can you? Awesome. All right, now to make sure our legs are nice and strong, we're going to practice something called a horse stance. Can everyone say horse stance? Louder, horse stance. Awesome. All right, so here's where we're going to start. We're going to have both of our hands out in front of us like this. Now, when I say horse stance, we're going to jump our feet apart and bend our knees just like this. Hand on our rib cage. Okay, ready? And everyone, horse stance. Nice, good. And back. Good. Try to be faster than me. Horse stance. Nice, and back. Good, ready, horse stance. Good, and back. Good, ready, horse stance. Good, and back. Nice, good job, you guys. All right, you ready to learn the first move? We're gonna practice Blaze Kick. You guys ready for that one from Blaziken? Awesome, all right, ready? So I'm gonna try it. All right, when I say fighting stance, we're gonna take our right foot back, both hands over like this, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, so a Blaze Kick. It's very similar to a side kick. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick our knees straight up, and then we're going to go ahead and kick low, and then we're going to kick middle today. Okay, so we're going to do low cut kick, and then a side kick right after. Okay, now here's what it looks like. You're going to be here, you're going to bend your knee, you're going to go 1, tuck your knee in, 2. Make sense? Let's try that together. Ready? Nice and easy. Let's go slow. 1, pick it up. 2, good, just like that. Let's do that again, 2 more times. Ready? Pick up your knee, low, pick it up, 2, nice, good job. 1 more time on this side, ready? And low, pick your knee up, out, nice, very good job, high five. Awesome job. All right, let's do the other side now, ready? So picking up this knee, we're gonna go low, pick it up, side. Now notice, my toes are sideways. So try to keep your toes sideways the whole time, ready? Picking up this knee, low. Pick it up, side, nice, good job. Let's do 2 more times, ready? Pick up this knee, low. Out, nice, good job. 1 more side, ready? And Pick it up. Out. Nice. You guys are doing so great. High five. Awesome. Now, if you had a hard time keeping your balance, don't worry. If you practice more and more, your balance is going to get better and better. Okay, you just got to keep trying over and over. Okay? All right, ready. Now, haven't tried it yet? Good. All right, hands up, fighting stance. Good. Awesome. All right, now this time, we're going to throw that blaze kick, but we're going to add some punches with it. Okay? So, I'm going to repeat after me. I'm going to say jab, cross, cut kick, blaze kick. Okay? So let's try that together. Ready? Everyone say jab, cross, cut kick, blaze kick. Nice, good job. Let's do it and go this way now this time. Ready? Everyone say jab, cross, cut kick, blaze kick. Nice, good job. Awesome. One more time this side. Ready? Everyone say jab, cross, cut kick, blaze kick. Nice, good job. You guys think you can do it fast? Let's try it fast this time. Start bouncing in your feet. Hands up like this. Ready? Everyone go jab, cross, cut kick, blaze kick. Nice, good job. High five. Very good work. Are you guys ready to learn the next step? Awesome. All right, well, we're going to practice the skyward uppercut. Now, skyward uppercut is a very powerful strike. Especially if you play Pokemon, you probably know that does a lot of damage. Okay, but first, we got to make sure when we do the skyward uppercut, we're not going to hit any of our siblings or any friends or anything around us. Okay, because this move can be dangerous if you're not careful. So I want you to do this for me first. I'm going to take your hands and do this. If there's anything in your way that you're touching, then I want you to move in a position where you're not hitting anything. Now, if you don't hit anything, then you probably should be okay. All right, so here's what we're going to practice. Hands up like this. Okay, so remember how we did that turn in the beginning? Where we were like this and we were jumping and turning? Okay, so a skyward uppercut, here's what it looks like. You're going to be here, you're going to uppercut, and you're going to turn to one side, okay? So let's practice that. Watch me. We're going to take this hand, skyward uppercut. Good, nice. Now we're going to take this hand and we're going to go uppercut and turn the other way. Ready? Uppercut. Okay, ready? Skyward uppercut. Kind of charge it up like this. Ready? Uppercut. Good, nice. And then charge it up like this. Ready? Uppercut. Good, nice. Charge it up, charge it up, charge it up. Ready? Skyward uppercut. Nice, good job. Ready? Charge it up, charge it up, charge it up. Skyward uppercut. Nice, one more. Ready? Charge it up, skyward uppercut. Nice, very good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right, are you ready for the final move today? Focus punch. You guys ready for it? I don't believe you. Can you say yes, sir, louder? I don't believe you. Really? Yes, sir? Awesome. All right, here's what we're going to do now. Ready? Try it. In the air. Awesome. All right, hands up, fighting stance. Good. All right, so we're going to practice focus punch, that punch that we did on the board. Now, I want you to take your left hand, stick it straight out in front of you like this. This is called an aim. It's called we measure before we punch. So we're going to aim like this. When I say go, we're going to twist as hard as we can and make sure this back foot, notice my heel's off the ground. You're twisting your whole body, your whole shoulders. Whenever you throw a punch, you always want to be twisting. Okay, that way if someone's punching at you, you're moving your head out of the way. Okay, so let's practice that. Ready? We're going to aim this hand out. All right, ready now. In 3, 2, 1, we're going to throw this punch really hard. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Focus punch. Nice, good. Again, ready? 3, 2, 1. Focus punch. Nice, good job. Again, ready? 3, 2, 1. Focus punch. Nice, good work. Let's try the other side now. So go and switch your feet. Awesome work. All right, ready? Take this hand out just like this. Good. All right, we're going to focus punch in 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Very good job. Ready? Again. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Good job. Now last one as hard as we can. Ready? Measuring. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Very good job, you guys. You guys learned some awesome lessons today. I'm really proud of you. Now, before you leave, we got one last thing to do. We're going to go ahead and do a cool down. Okay? We're going to cool down. That means we're going to make sure our body is ready to end the lesson. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it yet. Good. Nice. Now I'm going to take your hands, put them together just like this. Good. Put it on your stomach here. We're going to practice some deep breathing. Okay? So here's the challenge for today. You're going to breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds. Okay, so I want you guys, when you start breathing, I want you to feel like your stomach is inflating like a balloon. Okay, so don't breathe with your shoulders, try to breathe with your stomach. Okay, let's try that. Ready? Take a deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome job. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Breathe in as much air. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you guys. All right, now, if you are interested in learning more from me, with your parents' permission, you can click the link down below. And for the next 6 weeks, I'll be teaching you martial art lessons. But make sure you ask your parents first. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Everyone, chariot? Kenya. Awesome work, everybody. See you later. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.